Hello beauties, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to straighten my hair using the straightener brush from Gold Class G&C. Remember, you can use it anywhere in the world just using an adapter like this one. To turn on your straightening brush, just press and hold the button on the back. And to choose your ideal temperature, just short press in the button and that's it. This is important that you notice that I'm not using any protective gloves, so you're not going to get burned. So let's begin. Just brush your hair very well. Make sure that is detangled and section your hair by small strands so you can straighten your hair in a better way. I personally prefer the wavy, bouncy hair, but I do like my roots straight. So what I do is just straight the roots and at the end I flip the brush and you can do it inwards or outwards as you want. As you finish all your hair, I'm gonna show you how to do the back part because you always have like a small like waves in the back. So just split it in half and start brushing from the back towards the front. And remember to retouch your ends as you prefer. If you are more into classy hairstyle, you can flip your brush downwards. Or if you want more fresh and bouncy, you can do it upwards. And if you like the blowout look, you can just brush all your fringe towards the front and flip the brush upwards. And look at this. This is a straight but bouncy look. Otherwise, if you don't like bounciness, just brush your hair. Normally, just don't twist it and let me know which side do you prefer.